Hello and welcome back to Top 10s You Should Know. Let me ask you, how many times this week have you said to yourself, I'm tired? Maybe it's first thing in the morning, maybe it's halfway through your workday, or maybe it's even after a full night's rest. Fatigue has become so normal in our lives that many people accept it as just part of adulthood. But here's the truth: constant tiredness isn't normal. It's your body sending signals that something deeper is off, and ignoring those signals can affect your health, productivity, and even your happiness. Today, we're breaking down the top 15 reasons you always feel tired and the fixes you need to know. Stick with me because some of these might surprise you, and the solutions are simpler than you think. 1. Poor sleep quality. Most people think tiredness simply means they didn't get enough hours of sleep. But it's not just quantity, it's quality. Even if you sleep 8 hours, constant tossing, turning, or waking up prevents your body from entering the deep, restorative stages of sleep where real healing and recovery happen. Sleep apnea, stress, or even too much blue light from phones can silently destroy your rest. The fix starts with creating a sleep sanctuary, a dark, cool, quiet room with no screens an hour before bed. Build a bedtime routine with relaxing habits like reading, journaling, or meditating. And if snoring or breathing issues are waking you up, see a doctor. Untreated sleep apnea is a hidden energy thief. Remember, good sleep is the foundation of energy, mood, and performance. 2. Nutrient deficiencies. Your body is like an engine, and if you're low on fuel or missing certain essential nutrients, no amount of sleep will fix your fatigue. Iron deficiency makes it hard for oxygen to reach your muscles and brain. Low B12 affects energy and nerve health. Vitamin D deficiency leaves you sluggish and prone to low moods, especially in darker months. Magnesium, meanwhile, supports muscle and nerve function. When it's low, energy plummets. The fix? Don't guess. Test. Ask your doctor for blood work and adjust your diet accordingly. Lean meats, leafy greens, eggs, dairy, nuts, and fish are energy superfoods. Supplements can help, but food first is best. Think of it this way: every meal is either fueling your energy or draining it. Choose wisely. 3. Dehydration. Here's something most people don't realize. Even mild dehydration can make you feel exhausted, foggy, and irritable. Water helps your blood carry oxygen, keeps your muscles moving, and even regulates your body temperature. When you're dehydrated, your heart has to work harder, leaving you drained. The scary part? By the time you actually feel thirsty, you're already dehydrated. The fix is simple but powerful. Drink water consistently throughout the day. Carry a water bottle, set reminders, and eat water-rich foods like cucumbers and oranges. And remember, coffee, soda, or alcohol don't count. In fact, they can dehydrate you further. Energy often comes back not from caffeine, but from a simple glass of water. 4. Chronic stress. Stress is one of the biggest hidden energy killers. When you're stressed, your body produces cortisol, keeping you on constant high alert. Over time, this drains your adrenal system, disrupts sleep, and leaves you mentally and physically exhausted. Ever notice how stressful weeks feel more tiring than physically busy ones? The fix isn't to eliminate stress. That's impossible. But to manage it. Mindfulness, deep breathing, journaling, or even short breaks outdoors can reset your nervous system. Build little release valves into your day. Because when you let stress pile up, it doesn't just steal your peace of mind, it steals your energy too. 5. Sedentary lifestyle. Ironically, not moving enough is one of the reasons you're always tired. Sitting for long stretches weakens circulation, slows metabolism, and reduces oxygen flow to your brain. That's why a whole day at a desk can feel more draining than an active day outside. The fix? Movement breaks. Stand up every hour, stretch, walk around, or even do a few bodyweight squats. Regular exercise, even light activity, boosts endorphins and increases energy production at the cellular level. Energy creates more energy. The less you move, the less you'll want to move. But once you start, you'll be surprised how alive you feel. 6. Overtraining or excessive exercise. On the flip side, too much exercise without enough rest can wreck your energy. Overtraining elevates stress hormones, depletes glycogen, and leaves your muscles unable to recover. You may think you're pushing yourself toward progress, but you're actually digging your body deeper into fatigue. The fix? Rest is not laziness. It's part of training. Schedule recovery days, fuel your body with proper nutrition, and mix intense workouts with lighter ones like yoga, stretching, or swimming. Your body builds strength during rest, not during the workout itself. Ignoring this truth turns discipline into damage. 7. Excessive caffeine or sugar. We often reach for coffee or sugary snacks to push through fatigue, but both create a vicious cycle. Caffeine in high amounts disrupts sleep and jitters your nervous system. Sugar spikes your blood sugar, only to cause a crash a few hours later, leaving you even more tired. The fix? Cut back gradually. Replace energy drinks with green tea. Swap candy for fruit and protein, and focus on balanced meals that keep your blood sugar steady. True energy comes from stability, not spikes. You'll feel calmer, clearer, and more consistently energized. 8. Depression or anxiety. Mental health is often overlooked when people talk about fatigue, but it's one of the most powerful factors. Depression drains motivation, slows thought processes, and makes even small tasks feel exhausting. Anxiety keeps your body in constant fight or flight mode, leaving you restless and burnt out. The fix is acknowledging it's not weakness. It's chemistry and emotional strain. Therapy, counseling, exercise, mindfulness, and sometimes medication can restore balance. Taking care of your mind is just as important as taking care of your body when it comes to energy. Because real rest doesn't just happen in your muscles, it happens in your thoughts. 9. Blood sugar imbalances. When your blood sugar swings up and down, so does your energy. Eating lots of refined carbs or skipping meals can cause spikes followed by sudden crashes, leaving you shaky, irritable, and drained. This cycle is brutal on your body and can even increase your risk for diabetes. The fix is eating balanced meals with protein, fiber, and healthy fats to stabilize blood sugar. Think eggs and avocado instead of a donut, or brown rice and chicken instead of white bread and soda. Balance equals steady energy. Once you stabilize your blood sugar, you'll be amazed at how even your mood and energy become. 10. Thyroid problems. Your thyroid is a small gland with a huge impact on your energy. Hypothyroidism, when it slows down, can cause fatigue, weight gain, hair thinning, and even depression. Many people live with undiagnosed thyroid issues for years, wondering why they're always tired. The fix? Don't ignore symptoms. A simple blood test can detect thyroid imbalances, and treatment can restore energy levels dramatically. If fatigue feels unexplainable and persistent, it's worth checking. Sometimes the answer is hidden in that tiny butterfly-shaped gland in your neck. 11. Sleep disorders. Not all tiredness is bad sleep habits. Sometimes it's an actual disorder. Sleep apnea, insomnia, and restless leg syndrome can silently rob you of rest, no matter how many hours you spend in bed. The fix? Pay attention to warning signs: loud snoring, waking gasping, or constant restlessness. If this sounds like you, see a specialist. Devices, therapy, or lifestyle changes can make an enormous difference. Treating sleep disorders doesn't just restore energy, it can add years to your life. 12. Poor gut health. Your gut does more than digest food, it fuels your entire body. When your microbiome is unbalanced, or you're dealing with issues like IBS, bloating, or poor nutrient absorption, your energy takes a direct hit. The fix? Prioritize gut-friendly foods like yogurt, kefir, sauerkraut, and fiber-rich vegetables. Probiotics and hydration can also improve digestion and nutrient absorption. When your gut works well, your energy soars. A happy gut equals a happy, energized you. 13. Medications. Many common medications list fatigue as a side effect. Antihistamines, blood pressure drugs, antidepressants, even ones you've taken for years, may be silently draining your energy. The fix is not to stop on your own, but to talk with your doctor. Adjusting dosage or switching prescriptions can sometimes make a world of difference. Energy shouldn't be sacrificed just because of medication, and there are often alternatives. 14. Alcohol or poor hydration at night. A glass of wine might help you fall asleep, but alcohol actually disrupts REM sleep, the stage you need most for restoration. Add dehydration on top, and you wake up groggy and tired. The fix is limiting alcohol, especially close to bedtime, and drinking water before bed. Sleep becomes deeper, mornings become lighter, and energy lasts throughout the day. 15. Chronic inflammation. When your body is inflamed from poor diet, stress, or underlying conditions, it's like running a constant low-grade fever. Your immune system works overtime, leaving you fatigued. Chronic inflammation is often behind fatigue that seems mysterious and long-lasting. The fix is shifting toward anti inflammatory habits. Eat whole foods, reduce sugar, manage stress, and stay active. Healing inflammation doesn't just restore energy, it transforms your long term health. And that wraps up the top 15 reasons you always feel tired and the fixes you need. Fatigue is not just part of life, it's a message. By decoding these signs, you can reclaim your energy, your clarity, and your motivation. Now I'd love to hear from you. Which of these reasons resonated most with you? Have you found a fix that worked wonders for your energy? Share your thoughts in the comments below. Your insight could help someone else finally break free from exhaustion.